Hello all. Today I'd like to make myself a fork. I have this piece of 10mm 303 stainless steel. This stainless is non-magnetic and some might not think it the best for this use, however I find it very corrosion resistant. There's my main anvil sitting on its side, and today I'm going to use this smaller one that I've neglected to use the face for quite a while. The hardy hole on this one is not square right through, but is round through with just a square on the top half-inch, and so some of my hardy tools won't work with that. I kind of borrowed that design from this petting house that has a star on the top, and that makes making hardy tools somewhat easier, but it's not the best when you have most of your hardy tools with square shanks. I temporarily switched to my main anvil to use the square hardy hole. The main benefit of having my anvils loose on the platform is I can turn them this way, that way, whichever way suits my working preference. This will act as a stop for the first heat and prevent the piece from lengthening and make it widen out just a little bit more. Working with a small piece like this can take some patience. This stainless steel is non-hardenable, but it's very hard. I need to give a really big shout out to Robert Simmons. He added quite a bit of extra to the cost of a recent order he purchased from me. It's not the first time he's done that, and it really goes a long way to helping me out. Thanks very much, Robert. It's always good to work around your anvil, use it at different angles, and use the totality of the usable surfaces. Don't get stuck constantly using just one spot. The heavy radius on that end of this small anvil can be very useful. I intentionally want hammer marks to be left in this handle. I clean up the transition areas just a little bit. This is likely not the safest way to go about this, but it works. I tilt the disc slightly to get the tines pointed. I need to curve those tines just a little bit more. I like the looks of my hand-forged fork, and I think this is the first fork I've ever made. I want to give a quick shout out to all the recurring Patreon and PayPal supporters who are listed at the end of each video, who in large part make this channel possible. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Time to eat. So I'll catch you guys next time.